Welcome to Mind Marathon Hub, where your mind goes the distance. Today, it's time for a quick choose quiz. Ready? Let's fire up those neurons and start the Mind Marathon. First question coming right up. What ocean surrounds the Maldives? Correct answer is C, Indian Ocean. Paradise pick. The Indian Ocean cradles the Maldives. Who discovered Pluto? Correct answer is B, Clyde Tombaugh. Space Triumph. Tombaugh found the icy world of Pluto. What ancient wonder was in Babylon? Correct answer is B, Hanging Gardens. Ancient mystery. The gardens still fascinate historians. What gas makes up most of the sun? Correct answer is B, hydrogen. Stellar win! Hydrogen keeps the sun blazing bright. What is the largest freshwater lake? Correct answer is C, Lake Baikal. Deeply smart! Baikal holds the most fresh water. Who developed the polio vaccine? Correct answer is A, Jonas Salk. Life-saving brilliance! Salk's vaccine changed history. What is the capital of Norway? Correct answer is A, Oslo. Nordic win! Oslo stands proud among the fjords. Who discovered that Earth orbits the Sun? Correct answer is C, Copernicus. Orbit genius! Copernicus flipped the universe forever. What river forms the Grand Canyon? Correct answer is B, Colorado River Canyon. Creator! The Colorado carved wonders through time. Who was the first president of South Africa after apartheid? Correct answer is A, Nelson Mandela. Legendary heart! Mandela's leadership changed the world. Which planet is called the Blue Planet? Correct answer is A, Earth. Brilliant! Earth glows blue with oceans and life. Who formulated the laws of planetary motion? Correct answer C, Kepler. Orbit excellence! Kepler mapped the dance of planets. What is the largest desert in Asia? Correct answer is A, Gobi Desert. Desert wisdom! The Gobi spans endless ancient sands. Who built the Taj Mahal? Correct answer is A, Shah Jahan. Love eternal! Shah Jahan's masterpiece still stuns the world. What organ is responsible for filtering blood? Correct answer is B, kidneys. Clean answer! Kidneys keep your body's balance pure. What country is known as the Land of Rising Sun? Correct answer C, Japan. Sunrise smartness. Japan greets every dawn first. Who invented the light bulb? Correct answer C, Thomas Edison. Bright brain. Edison illuminated the modern world. What is the capital of Egypt? Correct answer C, Cairo. Historical hit! Cairo glows beside the Nile's wonders. Who discovered the law of buoyancy? Correct answers B, Archimedes. Eureka! Archimedes found what makes things float.
Which continent is primarily inhabited by black people?
Correct answers A, Africa. Brilliant recall! Africa's history shines bright today. What is the center of an atom called? Correct answer C, nucleus. Atomic genius! The nucleus holds all the power. Who was the first emperor of Japan? Correct answers B, Jimmu. Legendary! Emperor Jimmu founded Japan's imperial line. What ocean borders South America to the west? Correct answers B, Pacific Ocean. Wave of wisdom! The Pacific hugs South America's coast. Who discovered radium? Correct answers A, Marie Curie. Glowing genius! Curie's discovery lit up science history. What is the largest animal on Earth? Correct answers B, blue whale. Oceanic wonder! The blue whale breaks all size records. What ancient civilization built Stonehenge? Correct answers D, Britons. Ancient marvel! Britons raised Stonehenge before recorded time. What is the hottest natural substance on Earth? Correct answers A, lava. Molten power! Lava flows hotter than imagination. What's the capital city of Switzerland? Correct answers B, Bern. Swiss smartness! Bern blends history and harmony. Who created the periodic table? Correct answers A, Dmitry Mendeleev. Chemical mastery! Mendeleev organized the building blocks. Which river flows through Egypt? Correct answer C, Nile. Flow perfection! The Nile nourished ancient empires.
All right, moment of truth. Count your correct answers and check your level. 0 to 9, Mind Starter. 10 to 17, Brain Booster. 18 to 25, Quiz Master. 26 to 30, Legend Status. comment on our rank. Let's see how many legends we have today. Thanks for watching Mind Marathon Hub. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more brain-boosting challenges. Until next time, keep your mind running the marathon.